left your red dress hanging on my chair. Coffee cup stain, lipstick still. You said you called and you stared at the floor. Took my last good heart and walked through that door. And that's full of echoes, nothing left to say, just the quiet creeping in where your footsteps used to play. Jealous mind, jealous eye, staring down the silence after our last goodbye. I checked your phone light while you tried to sleep. Heard a buzz in midnight, cut me down deep. Raised my voice high, you raised your hand to leave. The handle hit hard, like a hammer on my belief. And that slam door still shakes these walls. Pain keeps peeling where your shadow falls. House full of echoes, jealous mind, jealous eyes, staring down the silence after our last goodbye.